Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Subscribe my channel Sultan Technical. Today our topic is 7 top email marketing courses online, paid and free you need to take. Email marketing is a valuable skill to master for modern day marketing, whether you are an entrepreneur, business owner or marketer. Even understanding the most basic email marketing terms, strategies, and best practices can help to improve your return on investment (ROI) from emails. Email marketing, is it worth learning? The research and results say yes. Despite new social media apps and marketing trends, Smart Insight found that email marketing is still a top contender when it comes to effective digital marketing. Rating of effectiveness of digital marketing channels. This is the rating of effective digital marketing. Email marketing has an average return rate of $38 for every $1 spent. Now that all sounds good, but the truth is, unless you know how to send and create a solid email marketing strategy for your brand, you won't experience these successful results. It's time to learn. As an avid learner myself, I know how frustrating it can be to search the depths of the internet to find an online course only to leave the course more confused than when you started. So here are the top 7 email marketing courses online, paid and free you need to take. Number 1 is Wishbone Email Marketing Masterclass for Beginners. If you are completely new to email marketing or you are looking for something to bring you up to speed, this course is an excellent place to start. This email marketing course covers how to meet your email marketing goals, types of emails to use, how to create an email marketing strategy customized to grow your business and your career in under an hour or at your own pace. Learn the basic ins and outs of email marketing, from personalization and segmentation to ways to measure your email marketing strategy's success. Not to mention free workbooks and an exclusive Wishbound Students Mastermind group. At the end of this course, you will be able to apply what you have learned with ease. If you choose to further your education, you will be starting with a solid email knowledge base. Duration 40 minutes. This is free. The second one is the complete Chimp email marketing course. This Udemy course was created by Jeremy Robinson, as seasoned marketer with 10 plus years of experience teaching students how to master MailChimp for an e-commerce business. If you are familiar with Udemy, you know that it offers hundreds of courses on a wide range of topics. However, not all of them are great. You sometimes have to search to find gems like this course. It's primarily focused on using MailChimp, so you will need an account to follow along. MailChimp is one of the most popular email marketing platforms, and you will learn how to create a MailChimp account as well as learn how to create A and B split test campaigns with MailChimp. Create highly optimized and high quality email marketing campaigns in MailChimp. Understand and navigate the MailChimp platform. Set up and build hyper segmented MailChimp email lists. Create OPT in and sign up forms on MailChimp. Before you start your course, feel free to integrate MailChimp with Wishbound for more dynamic marketing options. Automatically sign up, import or export leads between your MailChimp and your Wishbound account. Number 3, email marketing essential, designing effective emails. If you are more interested in mastering your email designs than email marketing campaigns, I found Fabico Skillshare class on designing effective emails to be the perfect fit. The course is focused on crafting, coding, developing various email designs, not to be confused with doing graphic and designs. Skillshare is another online learning community that offers thousands of classes in design, business, tech, coaching, and more. It's recommended by marketing experts and influencers alike as one of the best platforms to host and take classes. In this course, Fabio gives a step-by-step overview of email design, covering the difference between web design and email design, key considered considerations of designing and developing emails, best design practices. Feel free to take a look at the work that some students have done during and after they taken the course. Number 4 is OMI Email Campaign Fundamentals. The Online Marketing Institute online class on email campaign fundamentals can help to teach you the fundamentals of creating your email marketing campaign. The course aims to teach basic, traditional, and modern marketing practices you can use in your content mix, from the buying process, customer journey, and customer life cycle, and how each impacts your campaign messaging and timing. The course is taught by marketing veteran who covers the 4 P's of marketing: how email marketing is direct marketing, types of tactics used for retention, how to measure acquisition and retention objectives. You can also take a look at their dissecting email copy course if you are also struggling with creating good copy of your emails. Number 5 is email and affiliate marketing mastermind. It's very rare to find a good email marketing course that specializes in an affiliate marketing on Udemy. This course was highlighted as go-to for email marketers by One Click herself. That's where email and affiliate marketing mastermind course comes in. Number 6 is click-minded email marketing course. The click-minded email marketing course is centered on common practices. Number 7 last is Conversion XI11 life cycle email marketing for e-commerce. Last but not least in Conversion XL's life cycle email marketing for e-commerce.